So if we have items that are worded in different directions, meaning some are worded positively, some are worded negatively, but they're about the same idea, then we need to reverse code one or the other so that they're both in the same wording so that the scales make sense together. If you're using an existing scale, it should tell you this. So it should tell you like how to score them. These all need to be reverse coded, and then you can actually sum or average all of these different factors. This one happens to be about female norms and kind of do you endorse these norms or not. So let's look at invest in appearance. All of these 5 items would be the 5 items that are about investing in appearance. And we can see right here that item 6 needs to be reversed coded. So for item 3, I spend more than 30 minutes a day doing my hair and makeup. If you endorse that, so if you highly agree to that, that means that you're investing in your appearance. Number 6, though, says I feel attractive without makeup. So if you endorse that, if you have a high score on that, it actually means that you're not endorsing the construct. So we need to reverse code that one so that we are actually in the same line of thinking. Because right now, if I highly endorsed 3 and 6, I'm canceling myself out. Because I would have a low score on here and a high score on here. So I would be canceling myself out. You will see this greatly impacting your reliability as well, because nothing's going to be reliable. The respondents are going to be all over the place because you did not reverse code in the same direction. This is extremely easy to do in SPSS, so different data set, but just for example. I'm going to go up to transform and recode. I can recode into the same variable, so I'm not creating a new variable, I'm just putting it all together into the same one. A lot of times, especially with big data sets, I'll recode into a different variable and I'll label it, in this case, sub1R, indicating sub1 is reverse coded. Sometimes I like different variables just so that I don't mess up the original data, but I would always have the original data in a different document anyway. So going into the same variable just kind of keeps the data set clean. So I'm going to choose my items. Doesn't matter which ones. I can choose even more. And so it's going to reverse code these 5 items. Then I need to go to old and new values. So I have already done this over here, but let me show you really quickly. So my first value is a 1. Let's say this is an agreement scale of 1 to 4, and we're just going to reverse code them. So for a 1, this would now be a 4. A 2 would now be a 3. A 3 would now be a 2. And a 4 would now be a 1. A lot of times I will even write this on a piece of paper to keep myself straight, but I can also verify it here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 into 1, 2, 3, 4, and kind of go up that way. So I hit continue. I hit OK. It says it's done. Ta-da, everything is reverse coded for you now.